In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting with Google Meet using the latest features for 2025. We'll explore the various methods you can use to seamlessly connect to your Google Meet sessions, ensuring you never miss a meeting again. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at these steps so you can become a Meet expert in no time. To begin with, you'll want to open your Gmail. This is usually the first step for many of us when checking in on our daily tasks. Opening Gmail is simple. Just navigate to your preferred web browser, type in mail.google.com, and hit enter. Once you're logged into your account, you'll have access to all your emails, which is where our next step comes in. Next, locate the meeting invite email. This email is typically sent by the meeting organizer and will contain all the details you need, including the time, agenda, and, importantly, the link to join the meeting. Make sure to check both your primary and promotions folders, just in case it landed somewhere unexpected. Once you find the invite, click on Join with Google Meet within the email. This link will directly take you to the meeting, bypassing the need to manually enter any codes or links and ensuring a quick and efficient connection. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Google Meet website. Simply open a new tab and type in meet.google.com. From there, you'll see an option to enter a code or link if you prefer to manually input it. This can come in handy if you've been given a meeting code verbally or through a different channel. After entering the code or clicking the link, clicking Join will bring you into the meeting. Just before connecting, it's always a good idea to check your microphone and camera settings to ensure everything is working properly. If you manage your meetings through Google Calendar, you can open that next. Google Calendar is an excellent tool for keeping track of all your scheduled events and will automatically include any Google Meet links for meetings you're invited to. In your calendar, simply find the event that contains the Meet link. This can sometimes be a faster process, especially if you're prone to receiving a lot of emails, as it showcases your day's schedule at a glance. Finally, click or tap on Join with Google Meet in the calendar event. This step is similar to joining via an email link and will bring you right into the meeting swiftly and efficiently. And there you have it. Whether through your Gmail, the Direct Meet website, or Google Calendar, joining a meeting has never been easier. With these steps, you're equipped to connect with colleagues or friends seamlessly. Remember, you can always revisit any of these steps if you find yourself in a jam, ensuring a hassle-free meeting experience every time. Thanks for watching, and happy meeting!